Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. So on this video, I'll be teaching you guys if you want to flex your bets on sport bets. We all know how to do that, right? So I'll be teaching you how to do that on one bet, Melbet or 22Bet rather. So you click your one bet. As you can see, the odds. This is just for tutorial purposes. Please do not play the game. You see 4,680 here. Oh, it's to 12,000. So this is what you do here. You click at the top here, accumulator, and you see shift 10 bet here. So you click on shift 10 bet. As you can see, the odds has gone down to 4 odds. So what it means is, if you open it, you will see 2/6 here. What this means is that you only open for 2 games to get it. Okay, so it means that if 2 games wins, you win the 4 odds. But if you want to, increase your chance of winning, like maybe you're thinking 3 games can actually win, click on the system, click on 3. You can see it's not 12. Then click, if you want to stake, you can stake it this way. But if you think you can actually win like 4 games, then you can click on the system, click on 4. You can see it's now 45 odds. So yeah guys, that's how to bet on